Okay, so before we take a break and take our group photograph, let us now share merits and make our aspiration. Since the first day, we have accumulated a lot of merits, such as paying homage to the Sammasambuddha, taking refuge in the triple refuges, observe the 8 precepts, shared knowledge with regard to the Satipatthana Sutta, discussed the Sutta, chanted the Sutta, and meditation and many other forms of merits. We would like to now dedicate these merits to our departed teachers, relatives and friends, to our living teachers, parents, relatives and friends, to our garden devas, to the garden devas of our homes, the garden devas of SPS and the surrounding areas, to the garden devas of the Sasana, to the garden devas of this world, to other devas, spirits and all other beings. May they rejoice in the sharing of merits and therefore be happy, well and peaceful. Let us now recite this in Pali. Idang nenyadinam hotu sukhitawam tunyadayo. Idang nenyadinam hotu sukhitawam tunyadayo. Idang nenyadinam hotu sukhitawam tunyadayo. Ettavadaja amnehi sampadang punya sampadang sabde sattanumodantu sabda sampatti siddhya. And now please repeat after me to make our respiration for liberation. Idam me punyam asavakayavaham hotu. Idam me punyam nibbanasa pacayo hotu.